Warren Buffett, the billionaire tycoon and mastermind behind Berkshire Hathaway, has graciously shared his expert insights into the dynamic world of investments. His uncanny ability to spot opportunities and make money work for him has built an empire. Cash is losing value at an alarming rate due to inflation, and Buffett knows it better than anyone. Warren Buffett breaks it down for you, sharing real-life examples and his strategies for investing in these assets. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Commodities. Commodities are physical goods or raw materials that hold significant value and are used to produce other goods and services. Think gold, silver, oil, natural gas, agricultural products, and more. These assets, unlike cash, have inherent value that can withstand economic fluctuations and even thrive in times of uncertainty. The demand for essential resources remains constant as the world grapples with economic shifts and global events. This demand and limited supply create a recipe for potential wealth creation. Warren Buffett understands the power of supply and demand dynamics like no other. His astute investment strategies have repeatedly showcased his ability to spot lucrative opportunities, and commodities are no exception. Buffett's timeless advice to investors is to be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. In 2023, while others might shy away from the uncertainties surrounding traditional investments, commodities provide a robust and diversified approach to preserving and growing your wealth. Number 2. Mutual funds. Mutual funds hold the key to a diversified and prosperous portfolio. They offer a straightforward and powerful solution to growing wealth in a world of ever-evolving markets and complex investment options. According to Buffett, mutual funds provide you the opportunity to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities managed by professionals in the field. By pooling your resources with other investors, you can gain access to a wide range of assets, reducing risk and potentially increasing your returns. Mutual funds allow you to tap into the expertise of seasoned investment managers who meticulously analyze and adjust the fund's holdings. Warren Buffett has often emphasized the importance of having a capable team managing your investments, and mutual funds provide precisely that. You might wonder why you should choose mutual funds over other investment options. These funds offer simplicity, accessibility, and professional expertise that can be hard to replicate independently. Number 3. Stocks. Stocks hold the potential to be your passport to financial abundance. In a world driven by innovation and economic growth, these tiny certificates of ownership represent a stake in some of the most successful companies in the world. Warren Buffett has repeatedly proven that investing in quality companies can generate staggering returns. In 2023, he believes that stocks will continue to outshine other traditional investments. When you invest in stocks, you become a part owner of the companies driving innovation, progress, and profits. The stock market is a dynamic ecosystem with opportunities. You can benefit from their success by strategically selecting companies with solid fundamentals, sustainable competitive advantages, and visionary leadership. But here's the beauty of stocks. They offer flexibility to tailor your investment strategy to your goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a conservative investor seeking stable dividends or a bold risk taker hungry for explosive growth, the stock market can accommodate your aspirations. Number 4. Land. In a world of limited resources and an ever-growing population, the land remains a timeless investment that can appreciate over time. Buffett understands the long-term value of land investments. His sharp vision and strategic brilliance have led him to acquire vast real estate holdings. In 2023, he believes land will remain an asset class that outperforms cash and other investments. Land is a tangible asset that provides multiple avenues of wealth creation, such as residential, commercial, and agricultural development. Investing offers you the potential for capital appreciation and ongoing income generation. As populations grow and cities expand, the demand for land intensifies, driving up its value. Moreover, land can generate rental income or be utilized for agriculture, providing a steady cash flow stream. Furthermore, land investments can act as a hedge against inflation. As the cost of living rises, land value typically follows suit, making it an excellent long-term store of wealth. Warren Buffett's success in real estate serves as a testament to the tremendous potential within this asset class. Number 5. Luxury watches. Luxury watches are not just stylish accessories, they can also be a wise investment. Warren Buffett knows that these timeless timepieces hold incredible value beyond their aesthetics. Some luxury watches have seen remarkable price appreciation over the years, making them an attractive alternative to traditional investments. But what makes luxury watches so special? It's all about their craftsmanship, scarcity, and heritage. High-end watch brands meticulously handcraft their timepieces with precision and attention to detail, ensuring longevity and durability. And with limited production runs, these watches become coveted collector's items, increasing their value even further. Number 6. Rare art. Rare art has long been considered a timeless treasure, captivating the hearts and minds of collectors and enthusiasts alike. What makes rare art such a compelling investment? It's the combination of scarcity, historical significance, and cultural value. Masterpieces by iconic artists such as Picasso, Van Gogh, and Monet are in limited supply, and as time passes, the demand for these artistic treasures continues to rise. But here's the exciting part. Art has proven to be an asset class that can deliver substantial returns over time. Warren Buffett recognizes the potential for art to generate impressive wealth when chosen wisely. He'll guide us through the intricacies of the art market, revealing the key factors to consider when selecting artworks with investment potential. But how can you, as an investor, participate in the art market? While it may seem daunting initially, there are various avenues to explore. Auction houses, art fairs, galleries, and online platforms provide opportunities to buy and sell artworks. Number 7. Livestock. Livestock has been an essential part of human civilization for centuries, providing us with food, clothing, and various byproducts. Beyond their practical uses, livestock can offer solid returns and diversification to your investment portfolio. It combines the growing global demand for animal products and the scarcity of quality breeding stock. As populations continue to rise, the need for meat, dairy, and other livestock products will increase. This trend opens up significant opportunities for savvy investors to benefit from the livestock market. Investing in top-quality breeding stock allows you to tap into the demand for superior genetics and potentially reap substantial profits. Now, how can you, as an investor, participate in the livestock market? There are different avenues to explore, depending on your interests and resources. Consider investing directly in livestock, such as cattle or sheep, and benefit from their growth and eventual sale. Alternatively, you can explore livestock-focused funds or partnerships to access the market indirectly. Number 8. REITs. Real Estate Investment Trusts, or REITs, offer a unique way to invest in real estate without directly owning physical properties. These investment vehicles pool funds from multiple investors to purchase and manage a diversified portfolio of income-generating properties, such as commercial buildings, residential complexes, retail spaces, and more. REITs provide investors with regular income through dividends. As they generate rental income from their properties, they must legally distribute a significant portion of their earnings to shareholders. This steady cash flow can be beautiful in a low interest rate environment. Furthermore, REITs provide liquidity and accessibility. Unlike owning physical properties, which may require significant capital and involve lengthy processes, investing in REITs allows you to quickly buy and sell shares on stock exchanges. Now, how can you invest in REITs? Well, it's as simple as buying shares of publicly traded REITs through brokerage accounts, just like you would invest in other stocks. You can also explore non-traded REITs, or REIT funds managed by professionals, offering broader real estate market exposure. Number 9. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, have gained significant popularity in recent years, and for good reason. These investment vehicles offer a unique way to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of assets, such as stocks, bonds, commodities, or even specific sectors or themes. ETFs stand out in Warren Buffett's eyes because of their simplicity, flexibility, and potential for long-term growth. Firstly, ETFs provide investors with instant diversification. Investing in an ETF exposes you to a basket of underlying assets, which helps spread risk. This diversification can be particularly beneficial for those seeking to minimize the impact of volatility and maximize long-term returns. Secondly, ETFs offer transparency and liquidity. These funds trade on stock exchanges, just like individual stocks, allowing investors to buy or sell shares throughout the trading day at market prices. Now, how can you invest in ETFs? It's as simple as opening a brokerage account and buying shares of your interest in ETFs. There are ETFs available that cover various asset classes, sectors, regions, and investment themes. You can choose based on investment goals, risk tolerance, and personal preferences. Number 10. Investing in yourself. Investing in yourself is the most valuable investment, encompassing personal development, education, skill building, and honing your strengths. Warren Buffett recognizes that you can enhance your capabilities and unlock limitless opportunities by dedicating time, effort, and resources to improve yourself. Investing in your knowledge, skills, and personal growth will equip you with the tools and abilities needed to thrive in an ever-changing world. Investing in yourself expands your knowledge base, gains new perspectives, and develops valuable skills that can lead to career advancement, entrepreneurial success, and personal fulfillment. It's an investment that pays dividends throughout your lifetime. Now, how can you invest in yourself? The possibilities are endless. You can pursue formal education, attend seminars and workshops, enroll in online courses, read books, seek mentorship, and surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey through Warren Buffett's top 10 assets that are better than cash in 2023. We hope you found this video thought-provoking and insightful, and it has sparked your curiosity to explore these investment opportunities further. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay informed about the latest investment strategies and wisdom from Warren Buffett, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our future videos packed with valuable insights and expert advice. Remember, investing wisely today can secure a prosperous tomorrow. Stay tuned and see you soon.